In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place auto trail in Tradovate. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an ATM strategy that automatically trails your stop as the market moves in your favor, so your risk control stays tight without constant manual adjustments. First, open an ATM strategy from either a chart or the Super DOM. Look for the ATM dropdown at the top of the panel. Click it, then choose the plus icon or the cog or settings icon to create a new strategy. The interface can look slightly different depending on your layout, but the idea is the same. You're opening the ATM editor to define how your stop behaves. Next, enable the strategy. You'll see a toggle or a similar control to switch on ATM settings. Give your strategy a clear name, like Auto Trail, so you can easily find and reuse it later. Well, naming helps when you create multiple strategies for different markets or trade plans. Now, configure your stop loss. Set the type to Auto Trail. This tells Tradovate you want a trailing stop that activates based on price movement. Choose your initial stop loss, for example, 10 ticks from entry. A tick is the minimum price increment for the instrument you're trading, so make sure you know the tick size and value for your market. Define your stop loss distance, such as 5 ticks. This is how far the stop will follow behind the market once trailing is active. Then set the profit trigger, for example, 10 ticks. The profit trigger is the amount the trade needs to move in your favor before the trailing behavior begins. Until that trigger is hit, your stop sits at the initial stop level, protecting you from the outset. Choose the frequency, R like every 2 ticks. Frequency controls how often the stop updates as price moves. A tighter frequency keeps your stop closer to current price, while a looser frequency reduces the number of updates and can help avoid excessive stop movement in fast markets. When everything looks good, save the strategy. Before placing an order, make sure this strategy is selected in the ATM dropdown, so it attaches automatically to your trade. After you place the order, you should see your initial stop on the chart or DOM, and once the profit trigger is reached, the stop will trail according to the distance and frequency you set. That's it. With your Auto Trail ATM in place, you've streamlined risk management and made it easier to let winners run while protecting gains. If market conditions change, you can edit the strategy and save the updates for next time.
Order filled.